Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're on board Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas, taking a look at balcony stateroom 10300. Whether you're already booked or looking for that perfect ship, the Cruise World has you covered with ship and room tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So if you love cruising, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on. Entering the room, we get a good look at that king-size bed flanked on each side by a closet. Directly across from the bed is a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall with some small storage space below it. And now moving on to the desk and vanity area, where you'll find a decent workspace as well as 2 standard outlets, a European outlet, and 2 USBs. Right next to the desk is the dresser, which features a mini fridge and 5 additional drawers. Across from the desk there's a couch, and now we'll take a look at your closet space. Here to the left of the bed, the closet has space to hang your clothes, as well as a safe, 4 storage cubbies, and 2 drawers. There's a light here on the left side of the bed, as well as a phone that does have a USB outlet in it, and there's also a couple of nightstand shelves. Over to the right side of the bed, you've got the same light and shelves, as well as a standard outlet. Now we'll check out the closet on this side, which features plenty of hanging space. And additionally, over the bed, there's some really handy storage space as well. Now on to the bathroom, which is an adequate size and features storage space to the right of the sink area as well as below the counter. The shower has a curved glass door, a footrest, and a 2-in-1 shampoo and shower gel dispenser. And of course, we can't forget about the balcony. Out here you'll find a small table, 2 comfortable chairs with footrests, and amazing ocean views. Thanks for checking out the Odyssey of the Seas Ocean View Balcony Stateroom 10300 with us today. Odyssey is an amazing ship, and if you have any questions or you're ready to book your next cruise vacation, give us a call at the number below or email thecruiseworldtravel@gmail.com. Be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on the latest cruise content. But most of all, remember, life is short and cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.